Hi everyone, in my previous video I have discussed about generic training where I have discussed about what are the FA exams, what are the subjects involved in that, what are the percentages of the subjects and what type of questions can be asked. I have discussed a brief information about it in that. In this video I want to concentrate about stream training. So let's start. In stream training, after the completion of the generic exam, within a couple of days, streams will be allocated to the trainees. These stream allocations will not be based on your generic FA exams results, because FA exams results will not be announced at the time. There itself streams will be allocated to the trainees. So this is based on business requirement. So where the business requirements, more requirement is there, according to that streams will be allocated. So there are many streams, mainly in Infosys. I can list few of them, like there Java stream, Python, cloud technologies, data analytics, Linux, Windows, etc. There are many streams. I have listed only few here. Again, you can find substrings like Java, Angular, Java, React, front end, back end, full stack. So there are many streams. I have listed few of them here. So after completion of the generic FA exam, streams will be allocated within the 2 to 3 days. This is not based on your generic FA exams result. Okay. So when streams will be allocated to the trainees, stream training will be start. This stream training is divided into two parts, basic and advanced. Let us suppose a trainee to trainee, a Linux stream is allocated. So in that, first basics of Linux will be taught in half duration of the time, and advance of Linux like Linux administration, rel administration, troubleshooting commands, like that advanced concepts will be taught in remaining half of the duration of the time. So this stream training, maximum of the duration 2 to 3 months. It may get vary depending upon the situation, but as far as of my knowledge, it is 2 to 3 months. Okay, so half duration of the time basic training will be taken care, and remaining half of the duration advanced training will be taken. So again, in that basic and FA advanced, FA exams will be conducted. Again, you will find there a hands-on part and objective part. Here also hands-on part and objective part. So in advance only you will have a capstone project there. This is 7 to 10 days of project, where a daily life scenario based problem statement will be given and you need to develop a project. So again, in that they will ask you the Viva type, so what you have developed, what type of scenarios you have gone through it. So regarding that, what you have developed the project, they will ask the Viva questions. So this is all about stream training. So in stream they will teach from basic to advanced. So this comparatively you feel that stream is easy than generic training, because in stream they will teach you from basic to advanced. First basic concepts will be taught, then advanced concept will be taught. In that, again, after completion of the stream training, you have a business communication excellence program test, that is BCEP, business communication excellence program, that is English exam. This is also important in case you want to get a higher performance or best performance. In that case, this English marks will be included, but it will not be considered to the terminate process, because if you fail also in English, you will have a chances to write this English exam. But if you want to get a higher performance or best performance, the English percentage marks are important to get the high performance or best performance. So, basically if you get greater than or equal to 80%, it will be considered as higher performance or best performance. So, generic training and stream training, average will be taken. Generic training plus stream training, average percentage will be taken, that should be 65% in order to qualify the overall training. Qualify the overall training. Okay. For example, you have passed generic training with 50%, then you need to get 80% in your stream training in order to get the average percentage as 65. So, in order to avoid this some circumstances like more pressure in stream, so get more score in your generic training as well as stream training, so that you will not feel like pressure, so that I need to store more in stream in order to get the 65%. Okay. So, this English exam is also important in order to get the higher performance or best performance, because most of the people take it as negligence. English exam only know we can pass, we can easily get a good score, but I can say in my class only most of the people have failed in English. They have taken it for granted, oh English exam only know we can pass it easily, but in that they will ask the theory questions and some scenario based questions you need to go through once. Without knowing anything, if you go and sit in the exam hall, you will face some difficulty to write that exam. So, go through that theory based English questions, also scenario based questions, in order to get a good score in English also. Okay. So, this is all about stream training. So, when generic training will completed, FA exams will get completed, streams will be allocated to the trainees. In that, the streams are mainly, I can have listed few of them here. Again, in that basic and advanced training will be taken care. Half of the duration basic training will be given and remaining half of the advanced. In that again you have capstone project. In that you will get, this is 72 days project. Viva will be asked in that project capstone. So, you can go with that. Business Communication Excellence Program Test BCEP exam will be also conducted, that is English exam. If you want to get higher performance or best performance, then this exam also you take it as serious, don't negligent that. So, prepare well accordingly. Don't miss the classes of the stream training, because if you miss any one of the class also, the next day you will face some difficulty to understand that prior concepts. So, don't miss the classes and attend the classes regularly, and do their assignments. They will give you the assignment questions, do it that questions also, in order to clear the stream training and generic training with ease. It is easy to clear both the trainings if you follow the schedule they give and the trainings they provide, without missing the classes. It will be easy. If you miss the class and you are planning some other things in that in the duration of the training, then it will be difficulty to crack the training. Okay. So, plan accordingly, don't miss the classes, and go and prepare according to the schedule. Okay. Thank you for watching.